Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to change region in Microsoft Edge on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Edge. First open the Microsoft Edge on your iPhone and make sure you are signed in if required. Step 2. Open the menu. Tap the three dots menu at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Go to Settings. From the menu, tap Settings to access browser options. Step 4. Open Language Settings. Scroll down and tap Language. Select or add the language used in the country you want Edge to focus on. Step 5. Change search region. Go back to the settings. Next tap on the search. Then tap search engine. Then open search settings. Choose your preferred region for search results. Step 6. Restart the app. Close Microsoft Edge completely. Then reopen it to apply all changes. And that's how you can change your Microsoft Edge region on iPhone using free settings. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.